Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today, another unboxing video. I bought some new Mario Valentino shoes, not to be mistaken with the more popular Valentino Garavani, and it's my second pair. The first pair were white. At first, I didn't really like them because there were two things wrong with it. First, they get dirty so easily, and two, they squeak while walking on certain surfaces. However, after wearing the other ones for a few months, I noticed I'm wearing them more often than any of my other shoes. They are actually quite comfortable. So when I saw they had white ones with blueprints, I decided to buy another pair just to be sure. I bought them at Saks off 5th. They were $219 down from $389, and I got an extra 20% off with code EXTRA20. Although the code didn't take at checkout and I had to fight with the customer service and show them proof of the screenshot that the discount did apply to the shoes. Anyway, here are some shots of the new shoes, and I recently also picked up a very nice Valentino travel bag to match. It was down from $1,100 to about $500, also at Saks off 5th. All good deals thus far, and really happy with the bag. Anyway, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thanks!